Get it.
Ah. Hey, don't go out.
Watch it. I want to be here. Why it look kind of weird?
Oh.
The nose. Why the nose look weird?
Which nose?
Look, flyers.
Oh. Oh, it's Papa here. The Papa Coco is here. Hold it. Hold it. Wait. Pasok na, pasok.
Papa, you can hold it. I'm too tired.
So guys, papapasukin ko lang muna to. What's up, zztvers? So for today's video is we're waiting for Papa Kukuk. Yeah, Saint will playing Y8, and later we will wait for Papa Flyer because he will be racing in Tuguegarao. Can you say Tuguegarao, Saint? Tuguegarao. 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 Anong go? Tuguegarao. You're ano eh. You're ano naman eh. You're making fun of it eh. It's Tuguegarao. You say it properly. How we can upload this? Tuguegarao. Tuguegarao.
I can't say
You can't say it. Why it's super far away from our place? That's where Papa Flyer.
I'm still looking there, but I'm looking here. When I go right here, look at my blackboard. Oh, see you guys. Ow, my leg!
So guys, samahan niyo ako mamaya at aakyat tayo. Aabangan natin si Papa Flyer. Sana magpakwak ulit tayo ngayong araw sa Tuguegarao race. Okay? So guys, ano yun, Sin? Are you a rabbit? So guys, samahan nyo kami mamaya. Bye!
A few moments later.
So we're here at the top, at the rooftop. So our pigeon needs to race 4 to 7 hours. It was released 6:45 AM. Today is Sunday and ang ganda ang panahon. Kaso medyo maulap. So
put some cocoa food here and there because we can. So, wait, this is for the water. This is for the cocoa food.
So guys,
Papa, we can use this one for the water, that one for the cocoa food.
So guys, today is Sunday. So, abangan na naman tayo. What you doing there?
Getting this out. So we can use this one for the water.
Did you get your favorite pigeon?
Yeah.
Flyer?
Yeah, or cocoa food. Guys, look here. Come. Come on. There's a secret hole.
It's a secret.
So you see the baby, guys?
The baby?
Ow!
Oh yeah, he's big now.
But he looks kind of sick.
Me?
Yeah.
Do I look sick?
Feel.
Huh? Pang na tayo. At ang oras natin ay 11:30. So, isi-share ko nga pala yung forecast natin for today. Ito.
Like this? What I can say to them?
Your favorite pigeon? Oh, I forgot to raise them yesterday.
Yeah, that's why!
There's South Road training na naman.
That's why I was getting him. Papa, it's almost lunchtime for the cooks.
No, for us. Did you know I feed them twice a day?
Okay, you hold it now. You hold it now. You hold it now.
Why kissing him?
He's not getting scared of his brother, the cook.
The baby?
Yeah.
Maybe because he looks like his papa.
No,
Remember?
okay.
The papa looks like Flyer. Why are you kissing him? Huh? Why are you smelling him?
Wow.
Don't headbutt Flyer. So guys, update namin kayo. Oh, natanggal mo yung feather niya.
No. He removed it by himself. Oh. When I'm not holding so hard, that means he's confused. When I'm holding not hard. Oh, he wants to walk.
He wants to walk. Lilipad yan, sige.
No, I will hold him.
So guys, mag-check din ako kung may nagpaklak na. But look, hindi naman sana umulan. And maganda pa uwian natin ngayon. So titingin muna ako sa clocking natin, guys. So guys, meron na tayong 19 clockers.
Yes! Papa, how are we doing and what happened?
So,
this one how?
no, we're doing a screen recording. We were recording what on the phone. So guys, meron ng 19 na nagpa-clock. And let's just wait for now for Papa Flyer. And oh, it's a bird.
And me is in here. Papa tried to get me out. Papa, get me out.
You're not capturing naman pala eh. You're not videoing naman pala eh. So guys, this is Jet. Look at her eyes. It's
I'm
a purple
angry.
eyes.
I'm angry. He's angry. I'll touch it, eyeball.
So this one is already like 3 months
hold
old.
it, Papa. Because I'll check the code. Okay. Okay, I have to go back. Okay, 2858341.
That's their code.
Yeah, Jet. Jet.
code, yeah.
You go in here.
Why you block it?
Because so no cooks can get out.
We get the auntie. We get the auntie. Show them the auntie. Show them the code of auntie.
Get it.
Ah. Hey, don't go out.
Watch it. I want to be here. Why it look kind of weird?
Oh.
The nose. Why the nose look weird?
Which nose?
Look, flyers.
Oh. Oh, it's Papa here. The Papa Coco is here. Hold it. Hold it. Wait.
So guys, the Papa comes.
Papa's here na pala. We did not expect him. Oh, he's so dirty.
Let's clean him.
No, I will get the code muna. Hold this. Video him.
Why are you happy?
Stay here. I will get him inside. So guys, nandito na guys. Nandito na. Tuguegarao. So tumukod siya guys. Kasi look at his feet thing. Oh, you're not capturing him eh. Marami siyang putek guys. I told you he's coming na. Drink water.
Papa, hold it. Papa, hold it.
Pasok na. I will
Lagay,
catch him.
chukay.
I will catch him. I
Guys.
need to get this code eh. Pasok na, pasok.
Papa, you can hold it. I'm too tired.
So guys, papapasukin ko lang muna to. So guys, dumating na. And while we are talking, and then
Win.
yeah, we clock it in time. So nagulat ako, biglang may dumapo. And nandito na si Papa Flyer. Hey, don't lose that code because we might need that one. We will send it to the club president.
I just put it there.
So guys,
I gotta get you. I gotta get you.
nagdadaldalan pa kami at biglang bumaba. Sayang, di natin nakuhanan kanyang pagdating. But here he is. So mukhang tumukod siya guys, uminom. Kasi maputik yung paa. Yan lang kahirapan sa mga sa derby. Kasi 2 days. Hindi naman natin alam kung makakainom siya doon sa truck. And mukhang hindi siya nakainom doon at dito na siya uminom. Or ano siya, tumukod siya, uminom siya kung saan man. But guys, we are clock. Tuguegarao lap. So isi-send ko muna yung sticker natin sa club namin. And update ko kayo mamaya guys. Balikan ko kayo guys.
Wait a second. We didn't win. Look, it is a code. We have a code. Look, 22KBG7.
Oh, you read it the wrong way. You read from here to here.
Okay, 7GB-K2222222.
That's only 2 twos eh. But we are clock guys. So send ko muna yung sticker natin sa ating club. Wait, I will take a picture of it. Zane. Guys, pinasuka ko muna siya. Zane, saw it. Zane, we let the kukuk suka, diba? Kasi tumukod siya guys. So mahirap na, baka kung ano na inom niya.
And medicine look inside.
Oh yeah.
It's like a ice. It's like a snowball.
That one is called electrolytes.
I want to touch it and see it can make like a snowball.
So guys, ayusin ko muna si Papa Flyer. Kinakain ko na din ng malambot. So Kanyang pagkain is stag developer, yung crumble.
Make salt soup.
Ayan guys, kumakain na siya.
I gotta break this.
Malakas naman yung ibon guys. Ano lang talaga, tumukod at uminom sa putikan. So,
I'm getting breaking this because
may breaking that one ba? So guys,
to make cook salt.
balikan ko kayo guys. Update ko kayo after nito.
To make
At
cook crush.
malambot lang yung pinakain natin sa kanya ngayon.
Wow. Galit.
So ayusin ko muna guys ha. Balikan ko kayo. Are you doing a toss coin?
Yeah.
This side will be
They're watching.
okay, and then this side is
Making a video.
oh, yung toss coin.
Okay, I have to put my finger down. Okay. Time to look it. Ah! And that did it right.
Toss it higher.
Oh.
Oh, which side?
Making a video.
Making a video. So guys,
I didn't hear anything. Oh, it's mean that way.
so guys, clock tayo, Tuguegarao.
Yes.
Yeah.
The flip coin, you did so already.
So guys,
Whoa!
ano ko din siya. Anong tawag dito? Ipa-flashing ko guys kasi ano siya nagputik, tumukod. Baka kung ano nainom niya. Yan mukhang matamlay pa. So guys, dito na namin tatapusin yung video.
This will break inside or it will go inside.
Which one?
The
Is that a magic?
stick will go inside or it will go out.
It
or
will
it
go
will
inside.
break.
It will go inside. Is that your video? Is that your magic?
Yeah.
Did it go inside?
Yeah.
It did not break?
Look,
So guys, thanks for watching zztvids and have a what?
Have a zztv birthday.
Have a zztv birthday.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching.
And like my video when you like my magic.
So thanks for watching guys.
Have a
Tuguegarao
zztv
lap.
days.
Second lap derby.
Yeah, when you have this code, you will win.
Yes. Bye guys.
Bye.
Thanks for
zztv.
watching.